In graphical terms, linear equations are two variables that gives a straight line when plotted on a graph. When dealing with word problems, however, the solutions of such an equations are the values that, when substituted for unknowns, make the equality true. For instance, if there is one variable, the unknown can be isolated as shown. In this example, we'll see how a simple linear equation works. The question says, ABC Catering Company prepares and serves food for large gatherings. They charge a base fee of $100 for renting the facility, plus a cost of $14 per person. Write an equation which relates cost of event C and number of people N. So we already have the $14 per person, which is the N, and the question says we can use C as the event. So the renting facility is $100, which would be C plus 14N, and C is 100, so 100 plus 14N. The second part of the question says if 300 people attend a gathering, what will be the cost? Since we have our equation already, so we can just input the number here, which is C plus 14N, and since C was 100 plus 14 times 300, which is 4,300. The third part of the question says if 500 people attend a gathering, what will be the cost? So we'll use the exact same thing. So instead of 300, we will replace that with 500. And we'll use our answer, second, which is $7,100. The last part of the question says if the total cost of a meal is $6,890, how many people attended? Since we already have the equation, all we need to do is find the N, which is 100 plus 14N equals to $6,890. We just have to isolate N. So 100 is subtracted from here. Divide by 14, and N equals to 485 people. Another good example of a linear equation. Alan is 3 years older than Kathy. Kathy is 4 years less than twice Max's age. How old are the people if their ages add up to 35 years? As per the question, Max's age is the youngest. Always start from the smallest age. So we can make a small section where we can add their ages up. So before we do that, let Max's age be X. Max equals to X, and then Kathy equals to, and then Alan equals to. So in terms of question, Kathy is 4 years less than twice Max's age. So 4 years less than twice means if Max's age is X, twice of Max's age would be X plus X would be 2X. right? And then it says less, so 4 years less would be -4. So twice in this term is an addition because linear equation does not have multiple powers. So they would always deal with one, like with the power of 1 only. So it's safe to say that Kathy's age in terms of an equation would be 2x minus 4. And then for Alan is 3 years older than Kathy, which is 2x minus 4 plus 3, which comes out to be 2x negative 1. If we were to add them up all together, as per the question says, their age comes up to 35. So let's add them together. So which is A plus Kathy's and then plus Max's age would be 2x minus 1 plus Kathy's age is 2x minus 4, and then Max's age is plus x equals to 35. It's just the simple addition. Come to 5x equals to 35. Whereas x equals to 8. This is Max's age. Kathy's age, however, is 2 times 8 negative 4 is 12 because x is equals to 8. Alan's age, however, it's 2x minus 1, which is equals to 15. So if you read the question again, Alan is 3 years older than Kathy, which makes sense. So 12 plus 3 equals to 15. That part of the equation is also true. And Kathy is 4 years less than twice Max's age is also true. Because 4 years less than twice means 8 times 2 is 16. Negative 4 equals to 12. That portion of the equation is also true. That means that our answer is correct.